Are you trying to find the best hair straightener? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 8 best hair straightener. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. We didn't particularly enjoy the HSI Professional Glider's performance overall, and we didn't find many positive things to say about this flat iron. The interface is straightforward, the wire is decently length, and there is a hanging loop for storage, along with a storage pouch, an argan oil packet, and a glove made of heat-resistant material to help prevent self-burns. It also comes with these extras. When sliding across different hair kinds, we discovered that there was noticeably more resistance. It's missing an auto shut-off feature, a hinge lock, and a digital display. In our test of temperature accuracy, it again performed poorly, exhibiting a maximum temperature that was around 26 degrees lower than it had reported. Overall, it was difficult for us to justify endorsing the HSI. Number 2. The Remington S5500 is difficult to beat if you aren't attempting to blow your budget, even though it may not be the finest of the best. It usually straightens hair reasonably well, and is far less expensive than high-end products. The maximum temperature of some of the best items is matched, and it glides quite well. Furthermore, the swivel cord and hinge lock on this machine are great features. However, the interface and digital display aren't necessarily our favorites, and this iron has one of the shortest cords of the entire group. Our greatest issue with this hair straightening iron is that it seems like more clamping pressure is necessary to make sure the plates fully contact your hair. Although it's not our top pick, it will straighten your hair well for a lot less money than the more expensive version. It's a wonderful choice for someone trying to save money, or who only uses a straightening iron infrequently. Number 3. The competition was completely flattened by the Bob-Illispro Nano Titanium Ultra Thin Hair Straightening Iron. With just a few passes, this professional iron leaves hair velvety smooth, whether it is thin or thick. It can reach a maximum temperature of 450 degrees very quickly. This iron has a pretty long pivoting cord and comes with titanium plates in widths of 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and 2 inches. This product, however, lacks an automated safety shutoff. Additionally, its user interface isn't very clear, giving you access to 50 various settings rather than merely allowing you to pick the preferred temperature in degrees. However, we believe that its straightening capabilities are so strong that they transcend these drawbacks, and we think it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a high-end tool for their hairstyle requirements. Number 4. The Furiden Professional Flat Iron is another 2-in-1 hair straightening, curling iron. It comes with an 8-cord, a twist-dial interface, and automatic power off. In addition to a hinge lock, the cord incorporates a swivel attachment. It has 2 clips, a comb, a heat-resistant glove, and it works with 110V to 240V power sources. We have similar qualms with this combo styling tool as other multifunctional straightening irons. We wouldn't want to use the Furiden as a curling iron frequently. We also noticed more resistance with the ceramic tourmaline plates when moving across hair compared to some of the other top-tier options. All in all, we would recommend plenty of other straightening irons over this one when it comes to straightening performance, and plenty of other curling irons over this one when it comes to curling hair. Number 5. The biggest advantage of the Remington S9500 Pro 1 Pearl Flat Iron is that, on average, it has one of the lowest retail prices of the complete test group. It has every essential function and, if left plugged in, turns itself off automatically. A hinge lock, swivel cord attachment, and digital display are all features of this device. Sadly, while having powerful characteristics, we weren't too impressed with this flat iron's straightening results. According to our tests, the ceramic, pearl plates didn't seem to glide through hair as easily. Our thermocouple recorded a maximum temperature of 466 degrees for this flat iron, which is 16 degrees higher than the maximum temperature stated. This flat iron also performed poorly in our test of temperature accuracy. Number 6. The Infinity Pro by Conair Tourmaline Ceramic Iron was rated as a low-quality, inexpensive alternative by our testing team. It is available with 1.25, or 1.75 plates and claims to be capable of reaching one of the greatest maximum temperatures among the group. It does, however, swivel the cord and features an automatic power-off feature. Because the ceramic tourmaline plates didn't glide over hair as smoothly as we would have liked, we were a little worried about how this device would fare in our testing of temperature accuracy. The greatest temperature that we recorded was 464 degrees, which is far higher than the stated maximum temperature of 455 degrees, and high enough to raise concerns about hair damage at the highest setting. It only has a 6-cord, and the interface isn't the most user-friendly because you can select from 30 different temperature settings rather than just one. Overall, we would advise the majority of individuals to use a different flat iron. Number 7. Due to its dual functionality as a hair straightener and curler, the Nition Professional Flat Iron is a unique breed. Even though we often advise purchasing separate curling and straightening irons if you frequently use both, this at least provides you the option with respectable results if you rarely use a curling iron. It includes a standard temperature range, plates that are one broad, a curved exterior for curling, and a sleek, user-friendly interface that is very simple to use. It has one of the lengthier cords with a swivel attachment, an automated shut-off, and both. The pouch. This model's curling performance did not astound us, so those seeking a dedicated curling iron should look elsewhere. In addition, the expert stylist we spoke with said she would never attempt to use this for curling purposes, but could imagine it producing some passable results if you pushed extremely hard. If the 2-in-1 use appeals to you, it's something to think about, but if you're only looking for a straightening iron, we would suggest some other items. Number 8. We will admit that the AMOV Nano Titanium Mini Flat Iron is not the best option for daily use and is more of a specialty item. However, this compact flat iron stands out for its exceptional portability, making it a great option for travel. It has half-wide plates that slide decently well across hair, as well as a cord pivot and a hanging loop. This flat iron will also work with 110V 240V, making it even more travel-friendly. However, style will definitely take longer because this mini flat iron has much smaller plates than a regular hair straightening iron. Our thermocouple recorded a high temperature of 382 degF for the AMOV, which also has a lower maximum temperature. Though it has a short cord and a limited on-off interface, we believe this device is nearly unbeatable if you're trying to travel light. It also lacks a temperature adjustment. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.